Hey girls, my name is Maya Papouschek. I'm a current sophomore at Villa, and I play volleyball for Villa. I'm a part of many clubs like the Diamond Key Club, AHA, the Environmental Club, and the Community Service Club. I also play the trumpet for Villa, and I am a part of Student Council. So the first question that was asked is, can you explain how you dealt with the transition to high school? So one thing that I have to say is that it's much faster paced than middle school. So an important thing to do is stay organized. What I do is I have a planner that I keep all my assignments in, upcoming events, club meetings, and things like that. So I stay on top of everything and I don't miss any deadlines. So also my transition, I learned a lot about time management because the time that things are due is very strict. So you just need to be on top of that, but it's really easy once you get used to it. And then for some classes, like if the teacher has a different teaching style or you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask because they're always there and they're there to help you. You can just shoot them a quick email and they'll be there. So the next question that was asked is it easy to make new friends? And what if I'm the only person going to Villa from my school? So I came from a public school and I only knew like a handful of girls and I was scared that I wasn't going to make any friends. But it's actually so easy at Villa, and when I shadowed I could see how friendly and welcoming everyone was, just like for me and everyone else. But there are also a lot of opportunities to make friends as well. For me, I went on the Six Flags trip in the beginning of the year, like before freshman year, and that was really fun. I got to meet like a lot of girls and just have fun and go on roller coasters. And then just moving like into school, there's also movie nights for 8th graders and 7th graders. Those are super fun. You get to chill and watch movies, have popcorn. And then another thing is freshmen have the freshman retreat, which is before the start of the school year, and it's run by the student council, which I'm a part of, so it's really cool. And you'll have like different groups that you break out into, activities, like get to know you games, and that's really fun. I met a lot of my friends during freshman retreat as well. So yeah, that's basically it. Don't worry about making friends because you'll definitely, after like a month, you'll know everyone in your grade and it'll be super fun. So yeah, thank you.